How to log into Keybank mortgage account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in Keybank mortgage login and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, key.com. Go ahead and open it. With that, you'll be directed to the official website of it. Now over here, you'll find this login section. Go ahead and click on the option of sign on. Once you're on the login page, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials. Now go ahead and type in your user ID, then type in the password. If you want to save your user ID, check it for this option. If you have any issues logging into your account, click on this option to recover it. After you provide all the details, click on sign on. With that, you'll be logged into the account. So this way you can easily log into Keybank mortgage account. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.